This is a simple bench design. I bought two 8-foot long boards. The boards are supposed to be 2 by 12, but I measured them. They was 1/2 by 11. Make sure that your board is at least 11 inches wide. Anything else would be too narrow for comfortable seating. One of the boards on its legs, each leg is 15 inches high. I put the legs 3 inches away from the edge. If your bench is more than 5 feet long, put the third leg in the center for extra support. I use 8 big brackets to stabilize the legs and 1 smaller bracket on each leg. Maybe it's too many, but I wanted to make it strong. And this is how I did it.